guys, how are you doing today? I'm Amanda from Rockstar Mobile Hair Salon, and today my tutorial is going to be about how you can very easily trim your bangs at home. So, since I'm in need of a bang trim, here we go. First thing we're going to want to do is part your hair where you usually do your bang. We're going to do this bang trim on dry hair. So once you've pulled the hair down straight like this, just pull it back like this, past the length of your bang, so you can just see what falls. See how that is? Just falling naturally like that. So that shows you where your bang was previously. Then you can tuck the rest of it behind your ear like that. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Just kind of let it fall, which will give us our bang area. Tuck that behind. Okay, I'm going to pick up these bangs here. I want you to see, you don't want to be cutting any of this here that goes down. That's not part of your hairline, that's part of the side. So make sure you don't bring this hair in to cut as the bang. Just let that fall down. So comb your hair like this. Grab your hair now together like so, over where your part is. So if your part's here, that's where it's going to be. If your part's in the middle, it's going to line up in the middle, and vice versa, wherever your part is. Okay, so now that I've got my part where I want, I'm going to twist it, just twist it around like this. Staying, see how it is? Right in line. That's what you want, okay? You twist it like this, and then grab it with your fingers. Whoops, that can happen, so it's okay. Just go ahead and do it again. I'm going to twist it real tight. And then I don't really need that much cut off, so I'm just going to be putting my finger, you know, if you wanted this much cut off, you would do that, etc. I just want the ends off. So now I'm going to take my scissors and hold it a little bit away from my face because I don't want it to drop in my eyes. That's one thing that can happen with a bang trim, is it can drop in your eyes. So I'm just going to trim just a tiny bit, and I'm going to just move over here over the sink so I don't get it all over the place. In case you can't see, that's how you're going to cut. Just cut, keep your fingers totally straight, and you're just cutting a little bit at a time like this. Make sure your fingers are real straight and the blade, see, it's just going right here, so it's not cutting your fingers at all. And you just drop it, and voila! You have a nice shape and trimmed bang. Now if you're interested in doing anything further, like if you feel like it's a little too chunky over here, and just sort of look at it, see where you want to take a little bit of the weight off. You can comb it, just pick it up with the comb, and then leave at least, try to leave at least, let's do that again, so we can leave at least 3 inches. And we're just going to cut, so it's about 2 inches of hair there. And we're just going to cut into it. Now make sure you don't go this far down because you don't want to cut your finger. And you're just sort of also at the same horizontal line as your hair, and you're just cutting into it like this, and that bulk is going to come right out. Okay. And you're just doing it where you feel like it's bulky, not the whole thing. So I think that's enough. Yeah, that just sort of made it a little less heavy for me. Okay, thanks for joining me. Remember, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and any comments that you'd like to leave below. That will help me improve my tutorials to help you do your hair at home. Thanks a lot and have a great day.